If keto feels confusing, good. It's not you. There's just too much noise. Rule 1. No sugar, no starch, high fat. That's the foundation. Cut sugar first. Soda, candy, desserts, and even healthy sweet snacks. Cut starch next. Bread, rice, pasta, potatoes, tortillas, crackers. Then use fat to stay satisfied. Eggs, meat, fish, avocado, olive oil, butter, cheese. Simple, real food. Rule 2. Remember 20. Start at 20 grams of carbs per day. In the beginning, don't obsess over calories. Track carbs. Hit 20 grams. Keep it clean. When carbs drop low enough, your body starts switching fuel from sugar to fat. High insulin blocks ketones. Low carbs helps insulin fall. That's when ketosis becomes possible. Rule 3. Make it measurable. Use a simple ketone tracker like urine strips to confirm you're on track. You're not guessing, you're getting feedback. Feedback creates consistency. Rule 4. Remove triggers. Clear your cupboards of high-carb and processed foods. If it's in your house, it's in your mouth. Eventually, make the environment work for you. Rule 5. Eat enough fat to feel full. Keto fails when people stay hungry. You're not trying to suffer. You're trying to be consistent. Rule 6. Stop snacking. Eat only when you're hungry, not because the clock says so. If you're not hungry, drink water, have black coffee, and keep moving. Let your body adapt. Rule 7. Don't overdo protein. Too much protein can slow ketosis for some people. Aim for moderate protein, higher fat, and low-carb vegetables. Keep it simple. Recap. Carbs low, fat enough. Track progress. Do that for 7 days and you'll feel the difference. If you want weekly simple plans, meals, adaptogens, workouts, and mindset, subscribe. No gimmicks, no overwhelm, just clean inputs and consistent action. This is educational content, not medical advice. If you have a medical condition or take medications, talk to a qualified clinician before changing your diet.